Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about priority widget in Odoo 19, how to use it in our custom module. Today, we are gonna study about the confirmation pop-up in Odoo 19, how to apply confirmation pop-up for our custom module. So, let me go to our custom module library management. In library management, let's open any of the record. Now, when I'm clicking on any of the button, like let's say make it available, it is straightly go to the available state without any confirmation asking to the user. So, if we want to add the confirmation pop-up before changing the state, we can simply add it using confirm attribute in XML view. Let's see in the code. Open the form view in our book view. In the form, there is a button available. Let's add confirmation pop-up here. So all you need to do, add an attribute known as confirm equals to followed by the message you want to show in the pop-up. Let's say we want to show are you sure question mark. Now simply we'll restart the server, restart it, go to the apps, upgrade our module. After upgrading our module, let's go to the library management, and here let's first edit rows. Now if I'll click on available, a pop-up will be shown. When I click here, see a confirmation pop-up is shown, and here the value which you add in the confirm attribute will be shown here. If you click on cancel, nothing will work, but if you click on OK, the state will change, means the functionality will run. So this is very simple topic. All you need to do is add the confirm attribute followed by the message you want to show on pop-up. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.